Okay. What we are going to start with is the configuration, but first let's see what is the front end. What front end can achieve that we have to work with. Because understanding of the front end will make our configuration understanding very easy. Very easy. Okay. Okay. FB50. Let me start from here because this will give you a concept. I'll take your questions, Numan, at the end. Let me just first show you what's happening. No, I can't hear you, Numan. No. Three zero two zero one. One zero one zero one. Assignment, text, and our company code is AA42. We'll post it. Enter. Okay. Cost assignment means cost center. It wants an assignment in the cost center, CC001. This is just a template cost center that we have assigned to it. We've already made that so that our entries can be captured in this cost center. Yeah. Okay. Document 101 was posted. Document display. Now, what I've actually entered is was very fast. It was just a simple debit and credit entry in subsequent GL accounts. Now we'll see what was achieved. So, starting with document number, this is auto generated by SAP, but we have to take care of the numbering ranges. We have to create that. Company code, basic organizational unit, operational unit that maintains and runs its own financial instruments and documents and statements. Okay. And document date and posting date look relevant, but they are not related. They are related, but not very directly related, because document date, it can date back to 2 months earlier or 2 months. Okay. So if we speak of the entries, and we have GLs, these are already made, and the only thing that we entered manually is the amount. While the cost center was already made, profit centers were automatically fetched. Okay, and this is something that we have to configure.
Sir?